Hi, my name is Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This is another video in this series on family investment offices in the USA, and this is Addicus Advisory in Tupelo. And now just a little bit about me. I'm Andrew, a fundraising consultant and capital sourcing advisor with 15 years of experience in high-value real estate and investment advisory roles across Canada, Dubai, and the Caribbean. Simply put, I help clients navigate fundraising with clarity, strategy, and targeted outreach. Now, over the past 3 years on Fiverr, I've assisted over 300 clients from tech startups to real estate groups with fundraising strategy, pitch deck refinement, investor outreach, and custom investor databases tailored to their sector, stage, and capital needs. And currently, I'm advising a US-based real estate group on a $50 million equity raise, coordinating strategy and outreach to investment banks, family investment offices, and private equity partners. And on the right-hand side, you can see a few of my Fiverr gigs. You get more information on my services by clicking the Fiverr link below. This video showcases Addicus Advisory in Tupelo. They are one of the 360 family investment offices in the USA that are included in my exclusive database of investors. Company snapshot, they're based in Mississippi and classified as a family investment office, investment company, and their sector is general. Founded in 2012 and headquartered in Mississippi, this firm offers high net worth families personalized long-term integrated family wealth solutions guided by experts in financial strategy, deal structuring, tax reduction, and risk management. Key insights: founded in 2012 and headquartered in Oxford, Mississippi, with additional offices in Birmingham, Alabama, and other markets. Addicus delivers integrated, innovative family wealth enterprise solutions, now led by founders with extensive backgrounds in financial strategy, deal structuring, tax reduction, and risk management. The firm serves high net worth families through highly personalized long-term planning frameworks. Its model bridges institutional discipline and family level customization. So this is a great multi-family office to contact if you're looking to hit a number of ultra high net worth contacts. Sector preferences and investment strategy. While Addicus offers a comprehensive platform that blends private wealth management, capital advisory, private equity services, and strategic consulting, their approach is guided in aligning multi-generational capital strategies with deeply held family priorities. The firm supports both passive and active capital deployment strategies across complex financial and tax structures. So what would be the outreach strategy for a group like this? Well, you would emphasize values and alignment. So Addicus prioritizes family-led capital with long-term tax-efficient planning, opening your email by highlighting shared views on stewardship, intergenerational planning, or founder ownership models. Be specific yet discreet. Now mention why your opportunity may align with their capital advisory and private equity interests. Remember that you're probably going to be pitching to a number of them through Addicus as the gatekeepers. So especially if it involves succession, legacy assets, or operational complexity. Avoid mass emails or speculative introductions. I put this on every single one of my family investment office videos just to make sure to remind people these are not for spamming. Leverage trusted networks. Warm referrals through legal, tax, or investment advisory channels carry more weight, but if unavailable, position yourself clearly, include a concise one-page or teaser, and offer a low-friction follow-up call. Don't send your pitch deck in the first emails to these type of clients. So note, as a client-first planning-centric firm, Addicus is not likely to respond to mass outreach or traditional venture pitches. They value clarity, discretion, and well-framed alignment with client priorities. Okay, now let's take a look at the database. So first, a key database disclosure. My extensive database library provides hundreds of thousands of global contacts, typically including LinkedIn profiles, emails, and websites, though not all details are complete. So it's primarily compiled and updated from 2021 to 2025, with most updates in the last 2 years. Now, this corporate resource may include contacts whose roles have since changed. Now, it's designed as an excellent starting point for outreach. It's best leveraged and continually refined by organizations with dedicated data teams. Now, be aware, this database comprises a blend of single and multifamily offices, each with distinct investment criteria and operating conditions, so there's no guarantee your approach will be favorably received. Okay, now we're over on the Excel spreadsheet side, and I'm going to just quickly go through this so you can understand the format. So as mentioned in the previous part of the video, there's 360 actual firms with around 694 total contacts, because there's multiple contacts in some of the firms. So if we go along the top here, you've got full name, you're going to get their email, you're going to get whether it's a single or a multifamily, firm name, website. These are all in the US, but you're going to get the city. We have LinkedIn for many of them, and the titles you're going to see as I scroll through them. There's senior parties, vice presidents, global heads, managing directors, chief operating officers, and so on and so on. The whole goal here is to make sure there's senior people that you can reach out to. And again, that these databases are really used for research. These are not for spamming. You're supposed to take a look at it, take a look at the firm, get an understanding of what they're interested in, and reach out to them. And even if it's not a direct pitch of your opportunity, make that initial contact, ask them if they're in the same sector as you are. Anyone who's going to approach family investment offices knows that the first time they contact them is exploratory. So that's why this database is created. Now, I've done a little bit of the heavy lifting for you. I've provided the investment focus for them. So what type of businesses and opportunities they look at, and where we do know their sector interests, I've got a pretty good handle of what it is, and we've thrown it in here. And a notable portfolio, there's many that do not disclose, but there are some that are going to add. For example, this one is multiple capital raises as a sole book runner or exclusive placement agent for public offerings. So it really depends on whether they're single or multi-family. So that's important to know. And a bit of a brief history. For example, founded in 2017, backed by 1 billion plus family offices. The multi-family offices that are in this particular database do represent a number of ultra high net worth contacts. So it's a blend. It's considered the most updated and refined database in the family investment office sector. Trust me, I know that because I acquire most of them, and most of them have never been updated or misclassified. And a lot of them are just scraped from the internet, and nobody's actually really clicked the website to see if they're in business. These ones here, you can guarantee that they have been looked at, refined. I've actually refined this one pretty much every year since I built it, and that's why it has a lot of value. So that's the database itself, and you can contact me for more information via my Fiverr link below. For more information on my databases and fundraising services, click my Fiverr link below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.